Welcome friends. Today I am going to discuss about the web-based platform of the Kahoot, that is how to create and conduct ICT-based classroom quizzes on Kahoot. So first we go in the Google platform. Type the name in Google search box, that is Kahoot. Then search the this web-based website. Then there is a first option is update www.kahoot.com. Just click on and open the platform. This is the basic platform obtained before login. So you have for creation of the particular quiz you need to log in. Otherwise, if you created the quiz and student want to play, the student can go without login by uh, pressing the play button. So suppose we press the play link, then student can enter the game pin, write the name, and the student can play the quiz. So before that we discuss how to create the quiz. So first go in the login section. Because I am already logged in and therefore there is no need of the login. But suppose you want to log in, you have to provide the Gmail account and password and login, or you can easily log in also by using the Google account also. So there are various options available. You can choose the any option how to log in. So once you log in from your account, this is the platform where the Kahoot page is looks like. So there are various options. This is the Kahoot platform, web-based platform. Then home, discover means search. Then another is the Kahoot. Then reports, share, create, setting button. And these are the various quiz that have I am prepared here, and that's why list here showing here. So just go in the create option to create the ICT based quiz. Now this is the new Kahoot template. Which type of template you want to use, mobile based or any different types of images. You can also uh, upload any other different default or custom template also. So just go in the create, and these are the box obtained for the creation of the quiz. This is the quiz one, means first question. Just type the questions here. Who is the prime minister of India? This is suppose question. Then here you can also add the image also. If you want to create the quiz on the basis of image, you can upload the image. For the specially science teachers, where the mathematical equation is involved, and the teachers can use the uh, image also. Here for question you can easily upload the image by clicking here. In answer there are four different options is given. You can provide the one and two compulsorily, and there are third and fourth is the optional. Then you can also upload the image of the answer key also. Here this is the answer. If you want to uh, upload the image of the answer, then you can easily click here in this section, and you can upload the image also. So I am just creating the simple quiz, a sample quiz. To answer, who is the prime minister of India? Suppose Rajnath Singh. Narendra Modi. This is third. And fourth is suppose Arvind Kejriwal. Correct answer is Modi, and that's here. Right click here. So this is the first question. Then go in the add question section, or you can download from question bank also. Add question, then another question. Type here the second question of the quiz. The capital of Maharashtra is. Then again add. and fourth is suppose Amaravati. The correct answer is Mumbai, and click here. Then add another question. So this is the quiz and this is the true false. Again there are different options available like open-ended, puzzle, poll, word cloud, slide, but these are the premium versions. In free version we can use only the quiz version, that is the MCQ type, and true false. So two questions I already created in the form of quiz, and now I am creating in the true false. And true false, write down the question first. Hyderabad is the capital of India, suppose. True or false? It is a false statement, and that's why click here. Then you can again add the question. In this way you can add the different question, true, false, or MCQ from 1 to 100, depending on you how to want to create the quiz and number of questions. Then after completing the quiz, creating the quiz, just click on the done. Give the name of quiz, suppose sample quiz. You can write down the description of the quiz, or you can provide the notice or a date of exam or any other information in the description box. Continue. So this is validating the question. Test this Kahoot, play now, share it with others. Now suppose you want to test the quiz, just click on the test this quiz. If you want to the play now, immediately you can play with the student in the classroom. And if you want to provide as a home assignment, or you want to the share link in particular day and time, you can share the link also. So just I want to check the test this Kahoot. So how look like it? So it is opening. So there are different options present here. So you can use any option here. Best way is to share the link to the student through a Google Classroom or through email or through WhatsApp group. So this is the quiz platform. Your code is now loading. Sample quiz, name of this quiz, ready to join. Try the code app. This is the pin. The pin is important. When you provide the pin of that particular quiz, the student enter the pin, and that quiz that you have provided to the student can be displayed in their app. This is the, then just click on the start, waiting for. So in this way, this is look like this is the platform when the student log in particular quiz. The next option is play now. To teach, assign, for self-paced learning, for virtual classroom. So this is the another option. Choose how to replay this code. For self-paced learning, you assign the quiz to the student. They can solve in the home also as a home assignment at a particular time also. And if you want to teach in the classroom, you just click on that particular link. So this type of link is created here. Classic team mode. Team mode means you can provide that in the classroom, enter the game pin, and you can perform the quiz or conduct the quiz. The classic means one-to-one device. Basic. So this is the classic option. Ready to join. Tried the Kahoot app. This is the again pin 594042. And when you provide this quiz, the number of players join for this quiz is listen here. It can be shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 100. You can easily. So waiting for players. Once the student is joining, and this number is goes on increasing. So in this way, once student joining, the student can start and play the particular Kahoot. So this is the another way. Then next is once created the quiz, you just go in the done option, validating Kahoot, and this option is obtained. Again done. So this is the different types of quizzes. You were suppose created 10 quizzes, the list of these quizzes when you are published, there is another option is here, visible to everyone or visible, you can change it as only you, everyone. So only one, you means it is in private, and everyone means it is in public one. Means any student suppose search by typing your name or your username, this quiz is available as a open resource material. So here it is visible. So these are the different quizzes. You can when you create the quizzes, so different types of quizzes is obtained, and this can be shown in the this particular option, that is the Kahoots. So when you create the Kahoots, there are 4, 5, 6, 7. It depends on you. So this is a sample quiz, and suppose want to play for virtual classroom, so assign. When you assign, so there is a different option is obtained. You can create it, date, time, whichever you want, time, place, and create, and you provide the link to the student. So this is the another option. And you when you want to assign, there are different options is obtained how to share the link. You can copy the URL or link to the Google Classroom or WhatsApp group or Telegram group also. So this is the platform after assigning. Now here, zero player, invite more players, copy URL, change deadline, and now play, challenge yourself. And this is the copy of the this particular Kahoot that you have prepared, that is the sample quiz. यहाँ पे 3 क्वेश्चंस थे, इसको क्विज कीजिए और ये गेम पिन स्टूडेंट को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, जैसे 0838539 is the quiz. Provide this game pin. So there are two important things. First, copy the URL and provide this URL in a Google Classroom or WhatsApp group or Telegram group. And also along with this, you provide the game pin. When you provide the game pin, when student enter this game pin, the this particular quiz that you have provided can be seen in the Kahoot platform. चैलेंज डेडलाइन एंड नाउ, आप जैसे ये डेडलाइन 17 तक है, तो आप कभी भी इसको एंड नाउ कर सकते हैं, या चेंज डेडलाइन भी कर सकते हो, 17 से 19, 20 जो भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको शेयर करना है तो क्लासरूम में यहाँ क्लिक करके भी आप डायरेक्ट क्लासरूम में शेयर कर सकते हो लिंक. जैसे दिस इज अनदर गुड ऑप्शन प्रोवाइडेड बाय द Kahoot. गूगल क्लासरूम डायरेक्ट पर आएगा, या लिंक थ्रू क्लासरूम ज्वाइन करना है आपको लॉगिन करके. जो भी क्लासरूम आपने किए होंगे उस पर क्रिएट किए होंगे, चूज एक्शन, क्रिएट असाइनमेंट. तो ये बेसिकली गूगल क्लासरूम का ऑप्शन होता है. इसको जाइए आप असाइनमेंट में, यहाँ पे टाइटल दे दीजिए इंस्ट्रक्शन, और ये Kahoot का लिंक ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ पे आ गया. यू नीड इंटर गेम पिन, यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड द ओनली इंटर. तो इन इंस्ट्रक्शन इन द गूगल classroom you provide the game pin, and easily the student can play the quiz. So this is another best option. You can provide the link or share the link in the Google Classroom directly. Here you can play, challenge yourself. If you want to try this quiz, you can play yourself also. Okay, this is loading. This is the web-based platform. It takes time depending on the internet connectivity. Once it's connected, okay, ready, gets. This is the sample quiz, the name of quiz. Then join the game, nickname, whatever name you want to join. The student can write the name here. Here, player 1, sample quiz. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is. The next question. Here scorecard is also shown, 963. first player. If there are 10 or 100 students, so the list can be shown here. Then second, the capital of Maharashtra is. Suppose I click here. Then next, this is the correct answer. The again scoreboard changes for student 1, student 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Hyderabad is the capital of India. True or false? I am suppose clicking here. It shows that answer. Great try. It is a false, means it is a wrong answer, and therefore the score does not change here. So in this way we can play the game. The next option is here we can see the how many players plays. Then here the report card of that particular quiz, summary. We can also download it or keep further record. Then this is the list of Kahoot you are created. You can just take the printout for the record also for college or department. So this is the different quiz. The next important option is, now this is the quiz that you have created and provided to the student. But there are another option is discover, means just find out the quiz which is already in the Kahoot platform. Suppose I make any particular topic, suppose writing here carbohydrate. So it is related to carbohydrate. It shows the different quizzes also. So there are third person quizzes is available here. 170 plays, 226 plays, 155 plays. Carbohydrate use, fats, carbohydrate, protein. So there are how many question? 15 question, 10 question. So you can use this particular third person quiz for the student also. Just carbohydrate, click here. This is the third person quiz, and play or share. So this third person quiz can be also share to the student. Suppose carbohydrate is your topic particular, then search that topic and share the link. Then this is the type Kahoot user. This can be provided through a link which is already registered, but do not share. Just copy this link and are provide in the Google platform. So these are the same option that you are providing for your quiz. So this is same for the third option also, third person quiz also. If you want to play this for the trial, you can just play for virtual classroom, for self learning place, teach. So in this way you can create the, once you create the, click on the teach option, so this type of questions platform is obtained. In classic one-to-one team mode game option, so similar pattern is obtained. Personalized, friendly nickname, म्यूजिक, रैंडमाइज, ये सब ऑप्शन आपको ऑन ऑफ करना है, पढ़कर आप कर सकते हो. देन अगर क्लासिक करते हो तो क्लासिक में आएगा, रेडी टू ज्वाइन. And this is the now important, this is the game pin. So note down this game pin and share the link to the student. So in this way student can join this carbohydrate quiz by entering the pin. So in this is the platform. You can also discover the different quizzes like general knowledge, political science, so these are the various quizzes based on the political science. So you can add your particular topic and search the quizzes and provide to the student. These are the third person quizzes. You can easily play or duplicate or play, and you can also make a duplicate copy of this quiz also. So these are the web based platform. Here you can obtain the reports, Kahoots and discover. Suppose you want to play this particular Kahoot, entering the pin. Again type the Kahoot. This is the student platform. Suppose student want to join the quiz, there is no need of login. just play option, and once play option is clicked, the platform ask about the game pin. So suppose I am writing here 08385 391, that is created as a sample quiz. Then just enter. When the student enter the gameplay, then quiz is automatically run. And because you are provided your own game plan for that quiz, that is sample quiz. So this is appear like this. First it takes time to loading, and once it's loaded, the questions start appearing. This is the sample quiz. Are you BSV? No, no, not me. I am writing another name. Okay, go. Again the question start. That is the sample quiz. Two players. Now it's showing the two player because I am logging with another name, and that's why it's showing two players. Look at here, one of three. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Again, there is option. Look at here, BSVS, then the second, third, fourth. When student solve the question, the number of student can be, their name can be visible here. So in this way, the student can play by using the web-based platform also. So these are the various option available. So in summary, I just tell you how to organize this Kahoot. So first you create your own Kahoot in the web-based plan, because it is easy to upload or to create the Kahoot app in web-based platform, because if you want to insert the images for particular subject or question, then you can easily upload the images during the preparation of the quiz. So that is also important. And when you created the particular quiz, then share that link toward the student through various platform like WhatsApp, Telegram, or your Google Classroom, and provide them that particular pin. And when student log in particular Kahoot app, then he just enter the pin, and the game is started. Now during the classroom, suppose you want to conduct this particular quiz in 45 minutes or 50 minutes, because most of the students have their Android mobile with their in classroom. So they just are, if there are one or two students they don't have, they can join the in the group and easily play the quiz. So this is the web base, and next video we will discuss about the how the quiz is conducted in classroom by using the mobile base, because every student does not have a laptop in the classroom. This is only work for the student when they have the laptop or desktop in their home, then it is only possible, but it is only useful for teacher to create the quiz in the desktop version or web version. So in this video we are discuss about this creation and conduction of the Kahoot based quizzes. In next video we discuss about the mobile version of that this quiz, that platform, that is the Kahoot. So thank you very much.